Hi, in this video I will show you how to pin post on Instagram. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. And now let's dive into it. So open the Instagram application, and this is your main screen. So from this main screen, just go to your Instagram profile section by typing the Instagram icon on the bottom right. And from this screen, you will see more of your pictures because I have just one picture, one post. So I will show you how to pin this one post. So open the post, and from this screen, just go to the three lines on the top, three dots on the top right. Just click on them. And here you have the possibility pin to your profile. So this is how you can actually pin the Instagram post to your profile. And that's all from my side. I hope you have found this video helpful. So please consider to subscribe. See you in the next one.